Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI, and if you're like me, a good pair of flip-flops can make your summer. These flip-flops from Pevino are fantastic. I'm the kind of girl that wears flip-flops or sandals from the minute the snow melts until it starts to fall again, so I know a great pair of flip-flops when I see them. I love that these are quick dry. I wear these to the pool, in the garden center, in my own garden to pull weeds, mowing grass, and everywhere in between. I definitely get them wet and dirty. And these woven straps dry fast enough that you won't be uncomfortable for your trip to Walmart after a few hours at the pool. I also like the anti-slip sole to keep you sturdy while you're doing yard work or chasing your kids around. Because I wear flip-flops all the livelong summer days, it's important to me that they keep up with my crazy life. And because these flip-flops are so durable, even though I have put them through Hades and back, these have become my go-to flip-flops for the summer. Not to mention they're adorable, and they also go with several outfits in my closet. And if this color doesn't spark your fancy, they come in several different colors and styles for you to mix and match and pick the one that fits your vibe best. So if you're looking for a great pair of flip-flops to waste away your summer hours, then you've got them right here. But that's just my point of view.